Hi everyone. In the last video, we announced an exciting opportunity to work at ThoughtWorks as a full-time software developer through a free train and hire program designed specifically for women. We also shared detailed information about the eligibility criteria, the various stages of the program, and the process to apply. In case you have missed that, please go through the link that we have shared in the description below, and we've also shared the link to the application page for the program. In this video, we would like to talk in detail about round 1 of the selection process and about a welcome update in the eligibility criteria for the program. Let's begin with the details of round 1. The round 1 will be held on November 18th, 2020. The process will be held online. The process will consist of 4 parts. Part 1, a coding test where you'll have to write programs for 3 coding questions under 1 hour. You can code in any language from C, C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript. Part 2, you have a programming MCQs test with 5 questions to be answered in 15 minutes. The skills tested for part 1 and part 2 are coding fundamentals and programming logic, including the concepts of operators, data types, control structures, looping, functions, arrays, both 1D and 2D, strings, etc., and the mechanics of running testing and debugging. Part 3, an aptitude test with 10 questions from a mix of quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning to be answered in 30 minutes. A communication skills test where you will have to record and share videos of yourself answering 3 basic questions. Further details about the exact schedule for round 1 on 18th November will be communicated via email on the evening of 17th November at 7 p.m. We will not be able to entertain any further queries about the syllabus for the test, as all the details that had to be communicated have been communicated in this video. Details of round 2 will be shared with candidates upon clearing round 1. So this is all about the details around round 1. We would also like to announce a welcome update by ThoughtWorks with regards to the eligibility criteria. You will not be required to have a minimum percentage criteria of 65% to be maintained in order to apply for the program. I'll repeat that. You will not be required to have a minimum percentage criteria of 65% to be maintained in order to apply for the program. This particular requirement has been waived off by ThoughtWorks. However, as mentioned before, candidates are expected to have no arrears at the time of applying for the program. Even if you have written a re-exam for the arrear but have not received the result yet, then you are not eligible to apply. It is alright if you have historical arrears, but no standing arrears are allowed. Before we close this video, there's one more important thing to share. We recently hosted a session with Ms. Apsara Mokashi, the India head for entry-level training programs at ThoughtWorks. In the session, she shared many key details regarding the culture at ThoughtWorks and also details regarding the train and hire program through which they will be hiring software developers. Do check it out by following the link given in the description below. Finally, 13 November 2020 is the last date to apply. In case you haven't already and are interested to do so, please go ahead and do that immediately. Do like and share this video so that deserving candidates can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Well, that's it from our end. Have a nice day and good luck.